side-by-side technology, which a lot of videos are formatted for, you can actually use this and see the full 3D. And the 3D works really nice. Honestly, it's even better than the IMAX theater because instead of having their glasses and it coming at you, everything is right inside of these glasses. So it's like really, really close to your face. And you guys have probably been to an IMAX theater. The images that are coming with you, they look pretty cool, but inside of these glasses, the images are a lot more solid formed. And what I mean by that is like someone's like blowing a flower into your face or throwing something at you. The image looks very solid and very real throughout the entire experience, and that's just pretty nifty. So if you were able to get your hands on a nice, movie that they made for IMAX that's 3D supported, you'd be able to watch that complete 3D through these glasses. Now, these particular glasses aren't geared for gaming. These aren't for gaming. These particular ones, like I said, are strictly for watching movies. But it's very, very easy to operate. All you do is install their app, simply connect the glasses, get them going, and then you're up and going watching your movie. Now, the colors and everything are very vibrant. The detail is very vibrant. It's not quite the same as my OLED TV, but it is very, very nice, especially for something that's just sitting right on your face. Another really nice thing about these glasses is you don't have to worry about the content that you're watching being shown on your phone. Everything that you watch will be in complete privacy. So if you want to watch one of those adult films, go for it.